They're asking if the link right here that you have put together, if it's correct. Once it's correct, you're gonna go to agree and submit. After which, you'll get a message saying your fundraising link has been received. And all you're gonna do from here is click done, and that's it. Your fundraising link has been received. So now all you're gonna do is just wait. That's all. And if you guys notice, this is the next profile for me, which is this one with a space, and I don't use this profile a lot, but if you notice, I still have persons streaming my music there, which I did for years ago. So you guys can always go there and check that out as well if you feel like.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you guys for keeping up with the channel, and I would appreciate it if you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to ask. You could hit me up on Instagram, you could hit me up on Facebook, and the email is always on the channel, so you could find it somewhere. So like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And tell you what, the next time somebody mention I need to get a haircut, they need to go and make some more money.
What?
Peace, love God, and stay safe.